Hi there, thanks for coming back to the channel. The title for today's video is which generates more leads, LinkedIn or YouTube? And this is from a B2B perspective. Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. Hi there, before we get into today's topic, if you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to turn on notifications, they're very important. Today's topic, which generates or drives more leads for B2B businesses? Is it LinkedIn or is it YouTube? So LinkedIn is obviously the B2B marketer's favorite. There's over 740 million people who are members of LinkedIn, and less than 1% of those are active. And when I say active, I mean posting on a weekly basis. So there's some work to be done, and you can generate leads by posting content, by engaging with people, by extending your network. My network is currently, I have 6,668 followers, and let's have a look at how many connections I've got. 6,447 connections. So I've got a reasonable network on LinkedIn, and I use my content and my engagement activities and outreach activities on the platform to generate leads, and I do receive some leads coming from LinkedIn. And I'm very grateful for those, and that's wonderful. On YouTube, situation is slightly different. YouTube is a global platform. It's not specific for B2B businesses, of course, so anybody can use it. But once you set up a channel, I've set up a channel here, and you can see I'm focused on B2B content marketing. And then you start to create videos on a regular basis. I create videos on Tuesdays and Fridays, and you upload those and you answer questions and queries that people have in the sector. Once you start doing this, and you can see I've got it's over 450 videos, public videos, and you can see I have the content. I have a playlist here called Your Content and Social Media Questions Answered. So those are popular ones, some of the popular videos. And then I also have LinkedIn advice for B2B businesses, which, as the name suggests, is completely focused on LinkedIn videos and giving people advice how to use the platform, very specifically how to optimize your presence and your activity on the platform. All of this is obviously free, so people can watch these videos, and then if they need help or they'd like somebody to work with them, then they will contact me, because I've created all these videos and I've been doing that for a number of years. So YouTube has become its own lead generation system. When I started on YouTube, I wanted to upload case studies and testimonials, so I needed somewhere to upload these videos, and so obviously I uploaded them to YouTube. I didn't realize that YouTube could be its own traffic driving and lead generating system or workflow in itself, and it has become that only because I've been able to increase my reach. So I started off, obviously, as everybody does, with 0 subscribers. I'm now approaching 15,000 subscribers, and I've been making, as I've said, I've made over 450, I think it's over 460 videos now, with a B2B content marketing focus. I'm focused on my niche, and because of that, people who are looking for solutions to problems often find my videos, and some of them you can see have been found many times. They often find my videos, watch my video, and then send an inquiry into my email address, which is mike@marketingfundamentals.com. So from my perspective, there's less people doing what I'm doing from a B2B perspective on YouTube. There are millions of YouTubers, of course, but in my particular sector, there are less people delivering B2B content marketing advice, tips, strategies than there are on LinkedIn. On LinkedIn, there's so many people who have a similar profile to you, and are, apart from sort of geographical differences in terms of where they're located, have a similar profile to you and also offering similar services. And that's why, in my point of view, and also this is backed up by empirical evidence that we've collected on behalf of the agency, more of our leads are coming from YouTube, and they may manifest themselves in terms of it might be I get a message or an invitation request, connection request on LinkedIn as a response to a video, and they'll say, Mike, I watched your video on LinkedIn Sales Navigator, or I watched your video on how to increase company page followers, and then they'll send me a message on LinkedIn. So that although the lead is on LinkedIn, it originated from YouTube. And this is something that I recommend to all our clients, that you start to have obviously a YouTube presence, but also to upload to YouTube on a regular basis. It's not enough to just have 1, 2, 3, 4 videos on your YouTube channel. You need to consistently create videos and then upload them, publish them, making sure you're optimizing your videos for SEO, and then pushing them out into the world. And when people are searching on YouTube and also on Google for particular problems, they will find your channel and then come and investigate further. And then if people want to support the Patreon page, then they can do that. And the Patreon page is patreon.com/the Mike Pitt, and then they can access a lot of courses, so social media courses and expertise and advice that is not available. So there's I think there's about 87 exclusive videos on the Patreon page. But from an analytical point of view, YouTube, and this is what I've said to many clients who are still reluctant to embrace video marketing. I've said this: because you can connect with somebody in a video perhaps more than you can if you just read a post on LinkedIn, YouTube is driving more leads to our business, that's marketingfundamentals.com, than LinkedIn. And they are, and some of the videos that are driving the most leads are videos about LinkedIn. So how to use LinkedIn more effectively, LinkedIn learning, company page followers, etc. Expertise around that area is driving interest on the YouTube channel and subscribers, but also driving leads into our business. So I hope this video has been useful to you. It's a quick evaluation between LinkedIn as a lead generator, and yes, that's still effective, of course it is, for B2B businesses, and also compared to YouTube, which far fewer businesses use YouTube to generate leads from a B2B perspective. Some people have YouTube channels and they upload a few videos and then leave it, but in terms of people using YouTube deliberately on a consistent basis as part of their content strategy, their lead generation strategy, there's less competition, and because of that, if you do that well, you'll reap the benefits. And obviously videos, once they're uploaded, you've done the work, you've posted them, you don't need to do any more work on them, and yet they can be generating leads for you 24/7, 365, because the video is live and published and accessible. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. If you have, please give me a like. Click on one of the 2 thumbnails to watch another video. I look forward to speaking to you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.